लंबा वायर, अरे वो लंबा वायर थोड़ी नीचे करा दो, वो ऊपर करके नीचे करा, आगे पहले आ गया,
सबसे पहले मैं ही निकलूं। ओके ले लो मैडम, इधर है
जी लेफ्ट, जी एकदम लेफ्ट में आपके बिल्कुल इधर। कर देते हैं शिल्पा जी, शिल्पा जी हाथ डाल लेंगे चटनी।
लाइट मारा विनोद, बहुत मारा, बहुत पिटे।
गिरुजी लेफ्ट,
मैम हियर,
थैंक यू। मेरा चेहरा ही नहीं यहाँ पे आ गया, वो लेकिन मार्केटिंग आइटम है ना
मैडम जी इधर टर्न लीजिए।
आप थोड़ा एक स्टेप आगे जी, अरे आप नहीं, यहाँ पे तो लेफ्ट, थैंक यू सर, लेफ्ट में मैम, लेफ्ट में थैंक यू।
आइए
Look your right, sir, left, look your right, शिल्पा जी एक सोलो, वो अभी आया,
फाइट भी लेना है, फाइट अपनी एज सेलिब्रेट। हां पॉसिबल
40 ठीक है, वन मोर राइट।
चलो
ये क्या हो रहा है?
रोलिंग
शिल्पा जी, what you want to say? 12 years celebration.
12 years
With Mac, but I'm 40 years in the industry.
So I have come to celebrate Mickey Contractor, who's the makeup maestro, and he has made ordinary looking people like me also look beautiful.
Please,
and
Shilpa,
no
please.
and कहते हैं कि मिक्की का जब एक बार हाथ लगता है तो इट्स लाइक अ गुड ओमेन और शुभ होता है। तो मैं बहुत ट्राई करती हूँ मिक्की को बुलाने की बहुत ट्राई करती हूँ, लेकिन कभी उनके पास टाइम नहीं होता। लेकिन आई जस्ट वांट टू से ऑन अ सीरियस नोट दैट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट you know he's always made us all so proud, and he's a name to reckon with in the makeup field, and he's done so well for himself, and yeah, I feel very happy to be associated with him.
Shilpa, I think, is just being very gracious, like she's always.
What rubbish! I don't give people compliments just like
so
it.
much.
No.
Thank you.
बॉलीवुड मतलब मैं अभी कहाँ हूँ, हॉलीवुड में। अरे नहीं, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद द स्मॉल स्क्रीन एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद द स्मॉल स्क्रीन एंड आई डोंट नो, इट हैज टू बी वर्थ माय व्हाइल। या थैंक यू।
तो छू काम कर रहा है सबसे देगा अपन भी आगे जाते हैं लुक सेंटर हां नील भाई से सर यो सर हो वेरी गुड चलो क्या सर मैं भी सर लेफ्ट साइड वन मोर सेंटर चलो क्या वेट वेट से रहेगा तो सर सर वाइट प्लीज ओ अनिल भाई भाई खोल दे भाई डाटा टाइप पे
अरे वाह, twice in one day.
क्या कहना चाहिए मिक्की जी के बारे में?
मिकी कॉन्ट्रैक्टर अन्नदाता होते हैं ना वो हैं। मैंने उनके साथ पहले बार काम किया था जब मैं 18 साल की थी। आई थिंक ही डिड द मेकअप फॉर वन ऑफ माई फर्स्ट TVCs एंड तो मैं उन्हें इतने सालों से जानती हूँ और उनकी सबसे बड़ी खासियत ये है कि वो इतने सालों में बिल्कुल नहीं बदले हैं। ही लुक्स द सेम, he acts the same, he's as warm and as wonderful and as magical as he was when I first met him when I was 18, and I'm not going to reveal how many years ago that was. But he's a legend. Mickey Contractor is a true legend, and I'm so inspired by his work ethic, the kind of environment he creates when he works. हाल ही में उन्होंने मेरा मेकअप किया था फॉर अ फैशन वीक एंड आई जस्ट फेल्ट लाइक, और काफ़ी साल हो गए से उनसे मिलके, पर ऐसा कभी नहीं लगता कि समय बीत गया है या मिले नहीं है कुछ अरसे से। वो बहुत ही अच्छे इंसान हैं और उनके साथ काम करने में बहुत बहुत मज़ा आता है।
Dia, it's been a while since Bobby Jasus was the last time that we've seen you as a producer, and it's been a while since we've seen you as an actor as well. What are the plans ahead? Are you planning to produce? Because we read reports that you're planning your next production.
Yes.
So please tell us something.
Well, I am planning more films through my production company. After Bobby Jasus, we've gone on to do some documentaries and some TVCs, and now, of course, we're planning feature films and some interesting web series. And I will be seen as an actor in the Dutt biopic, and it's releasing on the 29th of June. I'm really looking forward to it.
How's the experience been on the Dutt biopic? It's of course one of the most awaited films.
I just think I'm really privileged to work with such a phenomenal team. I had the opportunity to work with one of my most favorite filmmakers, Mr. Rajkumar Hirani, and of course Ranbir, Vicky and Anushka, who I had an opportunity to work with on the film, are just formidable forces, all of them, such amazing talents, and it was really nice to have an opportunity working with them.
Yeah, you've been a person who speaks from heart always. Padmavat is going around these days. People are talking about it. What is your view on it?
I think a lot that has happened around that film has been undemocratic. I'm really grateful to the Supreme Court for recognizing the fact that this is a film that has been certified by the certification board for a release. Therefore, it must have a release. And all the states that have asked for a ban have been asked to remove the ban. And I'm really, really hopeful that the law will be respected. And people will watch this film in the spirit that it was made in. From everything that I've heard from the filmmakers, from the actors on this film, it has been nothing but a project of pure love and passion and hard work. And I really wish the film the very best. I hope it sees phenomenal success.
Which is your first film you watched, Padman or Padmavat?
That's everybody's favorite question currently. But because Padmavat has endured all that it has, as a person in film, as a patriot of film, I will go watch Padmavat first. That is not to say that Padman is any less. I think it's phenomenal that a mainstream commercial superstar like Akshay Kumar backs the kind of content that he does, that he's making socially relevant films. I really admire him for doing that, and I know that Padman will also be a super success. Thank you.
Look your left. Yeah, yeah. Sir, सामने देखिए. One more. Wait, wait, wait. अरे ऑन करने नहीं जरा उसके आगे रखो. Look yeah. Thank you. हमने कुछ पैसा खड़ा रहे हो. गाड़ी में देखिए. ये वाली.
चलो चलो बहुत अच्छा बहुत अच्छा
हो जाता है मतलब खर्चा भाग जाता है.
साथ में ग्रुप करते हैं पीछे पीछे पीछे
सर आप बीच में आइए. लुक सेंटर.
सर इधर देखिए सामने
मैम लेफ्ट में देखिए.
सोनाली मैम सामने
लुक सेंटर.
राइट में सोनाली जी
राइट में
सोनाली
राइट में राइट सोलो.
जी के
सोलो. लुक योर लेफ्ट. राइट कवर कर दे रहे उपाध्याय. लुक योर लेफ्ट. सोनाली मैम लेफ्ट. यो.
सोनाली जी इधर सामने हैगा
मैम लेफ्ट में.
राइट में
थैंक यू मैम. भाई मुझे लाइव कवर कर रहा है.
सामने देखिए
मैम यहाँ पे.
या
वेट वेट. हाँ.
या
ये लेफ्ट में.
सेंटर में देखिए मैडम इधर राइट राइट राइट
One more. मैम one second.
बंद करो दरवाजा प्लीज क्विकली.
ये थोड़ा क्या
So Sangeeta ma'am, what do you want to say about Mickey Contractor, the way he has set his level till now?
Well, what can I say about Mickey? Mickey, I can say so much about. I have known Mickey ever since my modeling days, which is a very, very long time, and he's been doing my face ever since then. And Mickey is a magician. I mean, what can you say about him? He is fantastic. He makes every woman look beautiful, and what more can a woman ask for? I mean, there's nothing more that you can ask for with Mickey. So he is very talented. He is not just talented, he is a beautiful soul, and he's a very nice person, genuinely. So it's talent mixed with the beauty that comes from his hands, is because he is a beautiful soul. So memorable. Yeah, so whenever I used to do my face and I used to do all my makeup, and he used to say, Bijli, you can do your own eyebrows, because I love doing my own eyebrows. So he says, I'm going to allow you to do your own eyebrows. So ever since then, he's always allowed me, because usually he's very finicky about doing the faces himself. But with me, he says, I'll let you do your face a bit, which is very sweet. So
Sangeeta, you have a very special relation with Salman as a very good friend as well.
thank you so much.
So now over time they have
Bye. Anything else?
Yes, yes, no, I just want to know what
Nothing
time it has
personal.
been. It's what is the situation right now?
रिसेंटली दिस वीडियो ने अपना वीडियो लॉन्च किया.
Have you seen
Guys, I
Okay.
think no questions for that.
Have you seen the video?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
मैम आप लोग चलते हो. सामने देखिए, एकदम सामने. Look center.
मनीष भाई इधर
One more center. Manish.
सही है इधर देखिए क्या दीवार ऐसे कुछ छरपटा रहा है तू मैडम जी आज ये ऊपर सीधे चढ़ के लोग के ऊपर
नहीं.
देखा ऐसे बैठा रहा ना चले
ये रहा. टेंशन मत लीजिए.
पीछे
मैम एकदम सामने देखिए, एकदम सामने.
सुष्मिता जी इधर बाहर में देखो भाई
मैम सुष्मिता जी लेफ्ट में एकदम आपके. मैम सामने एकदम.
सुष्मिता जी इधर
अरे
मेरे हिसाब से मैं लिपस्टिक खा रही हूँ.
ओह.
मैडम
एकदम सामने, एकदम सामने.
सेंटर में